Baja, we race Works, we race National Hare and Hounds, and NGPC series. I personally have won the Baja 1005 times and know what it takes to get across the finish line first. My team's won it 7 times total, so and that's kind of a little background of SLR Honda. So starting out this year, ProX is an all new sponsor to the team. You know, I was recommended to use them from our motor builder Jamie at Twisted Development, and you know, so we ended up partnering up, and you know, we started out with using their discs and their clutches to oil filters and pretty much everything across the board that they make, and you know, now we're into using their replacement rods and piston kits and everything else that they make. It's pretty awesome to have a company that holds themselves to a standard that's OEM or better, and you know, that's we're true believers in OEM, and to have replacement parts that are just as good or better, that's a huge thing for us, for longevity and, you know, durability, and that's what we go for. Durability is a huge part. You know, we have rock sections, we have, you know, technical sections that can cause bent rotors, and our rotors are a little bit thicker with the ProX, and you know, we barely ever have to change anything with especially with our rotors. We've been super happy with that, with the brake feel to it, to how they work, to how they stop, to the longevity. You know, it's a huge part to us. You know, we're racing 2 hours to, you know, 24 hours at a time. As far as the clutches, it is OEM quality. They're all manufactured in the same manufacturing plant as OEM for pretty much everybody across the board. And you know, to have an affordable way to buy clutches and rotors and OEM replacement parts, ProX is an amazing place to go.